Hey there, Brett. I've got an update on the Mustang. I got the valve covers back on it, new spark plugs gapped correctly, and spark plug wires, coil. I put a new high energy coil that needs to be on it. It's going to improve the fire. And let's get this thing fired up. So yeah, we're running. Sounds good. So we're looking good there. Good oil pressure. All right, so getting close. I got her back breathing again. I'll get the got the brake parts here. I'm gonna start putting on the new pads and coils, and I need to check the rotor before I paint it so that it doesn't flash off and rust. I got to make sure this is the right size, but as you can see, compared to how thin that metal is, you got a lot more metal here to work with, and that was my biggest concern, is the wear on those rotors. So hopefully all of my dimensions, the inside race, spindle, everything will line up. There's a lot of variances in these years, so I've got all new bearings, seals, everything I need to replace any of those old worn parts. I just don't know condition until I take them out, so I wanted to make sure I had all new bearings that I could put in there when needed. Replace the dust caps, and of course having some new pistons is going to make a big difference on stopping power and preventing leaks here. So I'll get all this going here shortly. Anyway, good news. Like I said, I've got her fired up now. Got all the wires routed correctly on the distributor. Ignition system's all complete now, and I've reconnected all the air pump hoses and things like that. So carburetor's working great. I'll do some fine tuning on the fuel mixtures, set the base idle, the choke, everything else. Once I get it on the road, I take it out for a road test and I tune it on the road to maximize the power out of the car. Okay, hope you're having a good one, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.